Hello everyone, today I will show you about how you can see your history location on Google Maps. Before I start, make sure to subscribe, give like and leave the comment on my video, okay? First of all, open your Google Maps and then click on the right corner in here. After that, you select settings and then select Maps History. So this is the list location of your history location, okay? So this is the way how you can see history location on Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.